number is even here. Let me try this number. Let me try it to see that. Hello, pretty. How you doing? How you doing? I'm the one chatting with you now, just now.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu.
I'm just learning at home, baby. Can you come over? Wow, I still at Gwarimpa. Yes. You just reach the junction, you just call, I will come and pick you, okay?
Not be juju be that.
Hello. What's up?
Sorry, are you looking for someone? This one you're saying what's up?
No, I don't understand you. You called me. You called me.
Are you out of your mind? Me?
Come on, don't listen to me.
Look what knows boy.
Are you feeling shy? I don't understand. Boy, you called me.
Me?
On Facebook?
Me?
Don't you see me on Facebook? Don't be sorry.
Are you mad? Are you the one? Don't touch my phone. Is this you?
This is me. Come on. Why?
Sorry, I'm not the one.
Check me.
Go! I'm not the one. I'm not the one. Leave me.
Come on, why you behaving like this?
I'm not the one.
But this me.
Sorry.
Come on.
Leave me alone. I'm not the one. I'm not the one.
Stop listening. You just called.
No. Now who would I do bad? And they never leave. Woman. They have left you. Like a woman.
No, na me fuck up.